And we're continuing to move towards the 1 million mark in terms of number of COVID vaccines distributed across the Commonwealth. Nearly 300,000 other doses of those doses have been administered to residents. Now, the launch of Virginia's vaccination program has been criticized by some for its speed. This after health leaders spoke out saying that they're running into roadblocks with the number of doses they're actually getting. Virginia officials saying this afternoon right now they're getting about 110,000 doses each week. Now, last week, the federal government promised states they'd be releasing a reserve number of doses to speed up the vaccination programs nationwide. But Virginia leaders say it now appears that stockpile does not exist. Without more doses coming in, Virginia says it could take months to stand up things like mass vaccination sites here. Virginia officials said they hope to move into a new phase of vaccinations very soon.
The circumstances under our expansion to 1B occurred with the hopes that we would be receiving a lot more vaccine. The reality that we are not going to be seeing that likely does mean that there's still a constrained supply and a lot of demand.
Dr. Avula says most parts of Virginia will move into phase 1B within the next few weeks. Here's who that covers. Frontline essential workers like police, firefighters, teachers, and grocery store workers. People aged 65 or older, people with certain pre-existing medical conditions, and those in correctional centers. Officials say vaccination programs for healthcare workers and long-term care residents will continue at the same time.
If you can work from home, if you consistently are wearing a mask and social distancing and doing all the things that will help prevent you from getting COVID, let's let the folks who are going to be most susceptible to this disease get vaccinated first. And I just think we're going to have to allow for that to happen, given the fact that we're not going to get the doses we need likely for a few months.
You can find our complete coverage of the coronavirus pandemic and Virginia's vaccine plan on WTVR.com and the free CBS 6 News app.